If you're serious about precision in your projects, a reliable laser level is non-negotiable. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 DeWalt laser levels available on Amazon and see which one best fits your needs. Let's start with the DeWalt DW088K self-leveling crossline laser, a favorite among both DIYers and professionals for its simplicity and reliability. This model projects bright horizontal and vertical red lines with high accuracy and features a self-leveling mechanism that adjusts within 4 degrees of tilt. It also comes with a magnetic pivoting base, making it easy to mount on metal surfaces. The range extends up to 165 feet when used with a laser detector, which makes it perfect for indoor applications like wall layouts, drop ceilings, and cabinetry installation. It's powered by standard AA batteries, which makes replacement convenient and affordable. While the red beam may be less visible in bright conditions, its solid construction, easy operation, and dependable accuracy make the DW088K a great entry-level or secondary unit for most job sites. Next, we have the DeWalt DW089 LG12 VMAX 3x360 line laser, one of the most advanced laser levels in the DeWalt lineup. This model projects 3 360-degree green laser lines, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical, allowing for complete room layout without having to reposition the unit. It's powered by a 12-volt max lithium-ion battery, offering excellent runtime and reducing the need for constant battery changes. The green beam is significantly brighter and more visible in daylight compared to red lasers, making this tool perfect for large-scale construction, tiling, framing, and cabinetry work. It also features an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, plus an overmolded housing that provides durability on rugged job sites. If you're a contractor or serious remodeler who needs full room visibility and advanced layout capabilities, this is your go-to model. Third on the list is the DeWalt DW0825 LGUS12 VMAX 5 spot plus crossline green laser, a versatile tool that combines the functionality of a crossline laser with 5 spot lasers for plumb, level, and alignment applications. This unit is ideal for electrical, plumbing, and framing tasks, where both point-to-point and line leveling are necessary. It uses the same 12-volt max battery system as the DW089LG, ensuring long-lasting power and convenient compatibility. The green laser offers enhanced visibility, while the unit itself is IP65 rated, giving it excellent resistance to dust and moisture. It also comes with a magnetic bracket, ceiling bracket, and drop ceiling attachment, making it incredibly adaptable for a wide range of job site conditions. For those needing both crossline and spot alignment in one tool, this hybrid model delivers exceptional performance. The fourth option is the DeWalt DCLE 34021D 120V Max Crossline Laser Kit, a newer model that brings robust power and precision together. This model projects bright green horizontal and vertical lines with high clarity, even in brightly lit environment. What sets this unit apart is its power source, a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery that offers extended runtime and consistency throughout the day. It includes a magnetic bracket for quick mounting, and the rugged build is designed to withstand job site wear and tear. This tool is perfect for tradespeople who are already invested in the DeWalt 20-volt ecosystem, as it adds powerful laser precision to their existing tool collection. With reliable accuracy and superior battery life, the DCLE 34021D1 is great for long workdays and demanding layout tasks. Rounding out our top 5 is the DeWalt DW088CG Crossline Laser, a compact and affordable model that uses a green laser beam for better visibility. This unit is self-leveling and features a magnetic base, making it simple to attach to steel surfaces for hands-free operation. It's ideal for smaller indoor jobs like installing cabinets, laying tile, or leveling shelves. While it uses AA batteries rather than a rechargeable pack, it still delivers impressive performance and accuracy for its size and price. The green laser offers up to 100 feet of visibility, and its straightforward interface makes it a great choice for beginners or as a backup on more complex projects. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more expert reviews and buying guides to help you find the right tools for every project.